Are you looking for the best blenders? In this video we will look at some of the best blenders. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 5. Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar. The Black+Decker Quiet Blender with Cyclone Glass Jar is worth considering if you want a good blender for well under $100. This inexpensive blender stands out for its 48-ounce pitcher made of glass, which is more scratch and odor resistant compared with plastic. There's also a plastic personal jar included that helps with blending smaller volumes of ingredients for single-serve smoothies. This blender delivers a solid overall performance, and it's best for recipes like smoothies or soups since you can use either jar to make a mostly smooth blend with fibrous ingredients like fruit and leafy greens. However, other aspects of its design and performance leave something to be desired. Aside from the glass jar, it doesn't feel very well built, with the main jar lid feeling particularly flimsy. If you make something like nut butter or hummus, ingredients tend to get flung to the sides of the jar, forcing you to use a spatula to scrape everything back toward the blades. It can only handle about 6 ice cubes at once and leaves behind some unprocessed chunks when crushing ice. If you plan to crush a lot of ice or make frozen drinks like slushies, consider the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 instead. It's not as versatile since it doesn't blend fibrous ingredients as smoothly and can't be used for hot blending, but it has no problem crushing a batch of 12 ice cubes into a snow-like consistency. Number 4. Calphalon ActiveSense. The best budget blender we've tested is the Calphalon ActiveSense. As you might expect, this cheaper blender isn't as well built as the previous picks. It has some flimsy feeling components, such as wiggly buttons on the motor base, and it can move around on your counter when processing tougher ingredients. However, it comes with a 24 ounces personal jar in addition to its 64-ounce main jar, and both of these feel sturdy. The personal jar helps the blender perform well with small batches of ingredients when making something like a single-serve smoothie, which can be an issue for some cheaper blenders that only come with a larger pitcher. There's a resealable lid included for the personal jar, too, so you can blend a smoothie or protein shake and bring it with you on the go. It smoothly blends fibrous ingredients in small or big batches, leaving behind just a few more unprocessed bits compared with previous picks. It's fantastic for ice crushing and does an okay job of processing recipes like nut butter or hummus, although it's a somewhat slow process. It can also handle hot ingredients for recipes like soups or sauces. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious. The best mid-range blender we've tested is the Breville the Fresh and Furious. You'll notice some downsides in this price range versus higher-end options. This blender isn't as well built as the Vitamix Explorian E310, especially the buttons on the motor base, which feel a bit flimsy. It has a 2-part lid for its 50-ounce jar but doesn't include a tamper, making stirring ingredients less convenient. That said, you don't have to compromise much where it matters most, as it has a fantastic performance for all kinds of recipes. While it blends fibrous ingredients slowly compared with previous picks, it makes an equally smooth blend with small and big batches of ingredients like kale, broccoli, and fruits. It's very easy to use for recipes like nut butter. This blender also makes snow-like crushed ice, although it works best if you stick with smaller batches of about 6 ice cubes. Unfortunately, though, it can't hot blend. If you want a mid-range blender for hot soups, you might prefer the Braun Triforce Power Pro JB9041BK. This very well-built blender can process hot ingredients in its main jar and comes with a personal jar for smoothies. It can also crush more ice at once. On the other hand, it makes a less smooth blend with big batches of fibrous ingredients, and it's very loud. Still, it's a good alternative. Number 2. Vitamix Explorian E310. The Vitamix Explorian E310 is a good option if you want something more affordable. This blender has a much simpler design, with no automatic blending programs or screen, and it comes with a smaller 48-ounce jar, which you may or may not prefer. It's just as good as the Vitamix A3500 for blending small batches of ingredients like single-serve smoothies. While it's a little slower at blending big batches, it still makes a nearly perfectly smooth puree with fibrous additions like fruit and leafy greens in big batches of soups or smoothies. It also makes snow like crushed ice, and its smaller jar helps it process recipes like nut butter or hummus faster and without any stopping and scraping. However, it's noticeably louder than the A3500. Its lack of blending programs and a digital display means you have to monitor it and stop it yourself. That said, it still offers a wide range of speed settings and a fantastic build quality. Its jar and two-part lid are dishwasher safe and easy to clean by hand. Number 1. Vitamix A3500. The best blender we've tested is the Vitamix A3500. This full-size blender can prepare basically any blend in its 64-ounce jar. It produces fantastic results for most recipes, blending ingredients quickly and easily. It thoroughly blends a personal smoothie or a big batch of soup in about a minute without any stirring or stopping. Using its frozen drinks program, ice crushing is a breeze, and while you have to stop and scrape the jar at least once, making smooth, spreadable nut butter is decently easy, too. A wide range of speed settings and blending programs are available, including hot soups, which heats up ingredients as they blend. This blender is very sturdy and decently quiet, which helps set it apart from some cheaper Vitamix models. Plus, it's easy to clean by hand, and its jar and lid are dishwasher safe. If you make a lot of nut butter, hummus, or other thicker recipes, you might prefer the Breville the Super Q BBL 920. This high-end blender comes with a 68-ounce jar and makes nut butter without any need for scraping the jar with a spatula. It also includes a personal jar, so you have a convenient way to bring your smoothie on the go, without spending extra money. It has a similar overall performance, although it doesn't crush ice or blend fibrous ingredients quite as efficiently as the Vitamix, and it has a set number of preset speed settings, so you can't make smaller adjustments.